Here is the absolute truth. Human beings are not meant to live alone. It's practically impossible to even conceive of a single form of life that exists completely unattached from everything else. Think about our fundamental biological imperatives: food, sex, growth, protection. Sure, reproduction is vital for a species, but for humans, the sheer drive to bond actually trumps it. Think about Tom Hanks in the movie Castaway. He's marooned on a deserted island. He figures out how to get food and shelter, but what does he do? He literally uses his own blood to paint a face on a volleyball just so he has someone to talk to. And in the end, he risks his life on a sketchy makeshift raft, not to find a better food source, but to find human connection. That is how overwhelmingly powerful our drive to bond really is. To truly get how natural this drive is, we need to compare the frantic, survivalist life of a single isolated cell with the mind-blowing cooperative perfection of the human body. Next time you look in the mirror, you probably think you're looking at a single entity, right? Well, that's kind of an illusion. You are actually a vast, bustling community. An isolated cell has to fend entirely for itself, constantly battling its environment just to stay alive. But inside you, your cells have figured out how to live together in a way that honestly puts human societies to shame.
Just consider the massive scale of this community. 50 trillion. Let that sink in. You are essentially a skin-covered petri dish containing 50 trillion sentient cells, all living and working together in total harmony. They all have specific jobs, they have internal health care, they have protection, they even have a viable economy running on the exchange of energy molecules. 50 trillion citizens living peacefully together. When you think about it, if they can pull that off, figuring out how just two human beings can get along seems like it should be an absolute piece of cake.